Good morning, everyone. Welcome today. Well, it's not morning; it's afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Monday. Yes, Monday, October the 9th, 2023. We have here not so good news. We have here two regular puzzles. The first one is a jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. And we have also a medium Sudoku, regular medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, I've told you, not so good news. We have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. No additional. What I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Saturday edition. In the weekend edition, we have a couple of puzzles left. I believe 5. 2 in the puzzle page and 3 in the additional. And what's the news of today? Well, what's happening in the world? Well, war in Israel, yes. Attacked by Hamas, yes. A lot of rockets, missiles, both sides. A lot of dead people, casualties. So not so good news. The war in Israel, the war in Ukraine, everywhere is war. What's happening, people? War. Alright, medium Sudoku number 7 2 3 7. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, and it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. 26. That means if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars, and for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and a 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in this row, so no 8 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and then 9. Then let me see. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the first row, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column 3, the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 in the last row should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Okay. And now let me see. We have 7. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. How about the numbers? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in the third row, so no 5 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes in this big square as a pair. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 8. Alright, so we have a 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, okay. And now. 9, 9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here we have an 8 and a 9. Well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. This box should be an 8. And that box should be a 9. Alright. 2 missing numbers now. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. In this row, 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this first column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Then 5 in this column. 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. That means the other pair in this row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the third column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and then 9 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. And now. Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Then. 1 and well. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the first column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. 4, 8, 7. Need a 6 here. 6. And I need a 9 here. Well, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 here. We have a 9 in the column next, no 9 there. Here can be a 9. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. And here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. And now then need a 6 here. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. From that row, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. You see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be here. How about the 4, 4, 4. Okay, 2, 7, and need a 1 here. 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 3. Need a 4. 4 here. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7. Okay. 1 and then 9. How about these? No, 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 no. Need a 7 here. Need a 7, 7, 7, 7. Come on, come on, come on. Taking too long, taking too long. Need a 2, yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, though, we need 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Okay. 4 and the 8. No, overlooked. 4 and 8. We have an 8 now in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, though, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. 8, 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6 and 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be, and the 2 goes there, finish in 15. Now, exact 15 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. 1 star, maybe 2 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Do you like this video? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.